Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You've got the Hdri and Enscape running. Now load it. In Enscape, open Visual Settings and go straight to Atmosphere, then Background. Click Load Hdri and choose your HDR or XR file from the local drive so file paths stay stable. Once loaded, you'll set a baseline exposure and intensity to prevent blown highlights or a flat scene. These initial values matter because they establish lighting and reflections across materials and help you judge next adjustments accurately. Once the Hdri is visible, rotate it to place the brightest area where you want your key light. You'll use the rotation control to aim highlights and reflections onto important surfaces. Then adjust intensity and contrast to control overall brightness and specular peaks. A subtle blur can soften harsh reflections. Make sure Enscape Sun Sync is on or manually align the host application sun so shadows, color temperature, and direct light match the Hdri, ensuring a believable result across materials. Finalize by saving your visual settings as a preset and rendering a test frame at final resolution to confirm reflections and exposure. Make small post-processing tweaks, contrast, highlights, and color balance to polish the image while preserving Hdri-driven lighting. If the Hdri doesn't appear or looks wrong, first confirm the file path and format are supported, then reload the Hdri. Also update GPU drivers, restart Enscape, and check that ground projection and sun synchronization are enabled. This fixes most visibility and alignment problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.